Hello over there, my name is Dominic. I'm representing the company SCHOLL Concepts, a polish and pad manufacturer out of Germany, and we are well known in Europe. Right now we went to the Sema show 2013. We want to launch our products here. Polishing is a big thing all over the world, and detailing. But what is new, we do different things just in one step, what other companies do in two, or at least in two steps, but the most of them do it in three steps. The product is called SCHOLL Concepts. We call it S3 Gold, is our high performance rubbing compound, and we have a special buffing pad, the spider pad. With that I'm going to work. The first thing I'm going to do, we have a surface. I'm going to sand the surface with grit 2000. I'm going to sand it wet, so you have a look at it. So right now I am sanding the surface to show you how efficient our polish is working. After paint work you have dust nits, you have orange peel, you have some defects in your paint, so you have to sand. This is what I'm actually doing right now. You can do it by hand, but I do it with the machine just to be faster. What I have to use is water. So for everybody to show, it's a grit 2000 paper. So now everybody can see how the paintwork looks dull, looks matte, it's sanded. Here we have the final result, a high gloss surface. Here we have a matte and a flat surface. How to treat this? The usual way is to use three rubbing compounds, three compounds. First a heavy cut compound, then a medium compound, after a fine compound to remove swirl marks or any holograms that appear in the surface. So I'm going to use the SCHOLL Concepts S3 Gold high performance rubbing compound together with our foam pad that has a special pattern in it. The foam pad is very hard, but by heating it up and by polishing it will get very soft. With the hard part of it, I will do the abrasive part. With the fine part, I will get a high gloss. This pad is a polyamide pad with a special pattern cut inside. A buffing pad out of foam. I'll put it on my machine. I put some compound on my pad. Now I want to have it smooth everywhere. And I will start polishing with around 1700 RPM.
But by hand as well too?
You can do it by hand as well, but it will take you a lot of time to get out these sand marks. So now I'm going to start the machine. I use a Rupes, the Bigfoot, the new one with 12mm orbital polishing. I will put a little bit of pressure. In my first step, I have to use a little bit pressure to get the hard sanding marks out. I move constantly with the machine over my surface, and I'm going to polish over the edge right now. Everybody can see that my compound is not getting dry and it will not stick to the surface. Also, the surface is not hot because we use a very special foam that lets the temperatures just go away. I did now the first part of polishing. I took out the sand marks. What I have to do, I want to have a high gloss, so I put up the speed and I go very gentle over the surface. You have to do it with passion. Take your time and watch the machine, how it will pass. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think we are close to be done. So let's have a look at the result. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth that has no synthetic inside, not to cause micro scratches. Even we went here with this LED flood lights that would show now swill marks and some incorrections, if there would be any, after polishing. As you see, it is very easy to wipe down. This result is going to last because it's not filling, it's not waxing. This is a physical detailing. This means we cut down the clear coat. I cut the clear coat when I sand it, and I cut the clear coat when I polish it. The final result looks like this. We have no micro scratches, no swell marks, and the 3-step process is eliminated by using just one compound and one buffing pad. SCHOLL Concepts S3 Gold and the spider pad from SCHOLL Concepts. A German efficient product. Thank you.